Hey guys, welcome back. If your car doesn't have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or even a modern touchscreen, then this product might be one of the easiest upgrades you can make. This is the 11.26-inch smart car display with a built-in 4K dash cam, and it combines entertainment, navigation, and security into a single device. The first thing you'll notice is the large display. The 11.26-inch touchscreen gives your dashboard a modern look and makes everything much easier to see and control while driving. Now let's talk about connectivity. This device supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so once your phone is paired, it automatically connects every time you start the car. You can access Google Maps, Apple Maps, Spotify, phone calls, messages, and voice assistants without touching your phone. It also supports Apple AirPlay and Android screen mirroring, allowing you to display content directly from your smartphone. But this isn't just a smart display. It's also a powerful 4K dash camera. The front camera records in ultra-high-definition 4K resolution, helping capture road details clearly. There's also support for an optional 1080p rear camera, giving you additional coverage and extra peace of mind. Another feature I really like is the 360-degree rotatable front camera, allowing you to adjust the viewing angle exactly the way you want. For audio, you have several options including Bluetooth, FM transmission, AUX connection, and the built-in speaker, making it compatible with almost any vehicle.